forever shade, you feel me? Tatted up now, you feel me? Your boy is fully tatted, stop playing with me. Fully tatted from the back to the neck to the feet, you feel me? Rising team. Uniqlo denims and the threes. Come on, Wizard threes, stop playing with me. I've been getting fly for many years, don't play with me.
I'm the spirit, gang. Stop playing with me.
Since I was a youth, since I was young, I was getting fly. So for today, I'm getting toenail surgery. I found this place online. I seen a couple of videos of this lady. She does ingrown nail removal. I go to get my nails done every week. I don't know, something today, I woke up today, I'm like, yo, let me go to this lady and see if she could correct these nails, cause, yo, I ain't gonna lie, when I walk sometimes, and I think it's because when you wear them Jordans be messing your feet up. Yo, drop W's in the chat if y'all wear Jordans, and drop L's if Jordans mess your feet up.
Man, I love free things, and look what we just got in the mail. We got some J's, man. Let me see what we working with, man. Come on. Jordan never wore that shoe.
I really believe Jordans mess up your feet. That and Italian sneakers. If you wear Gucci, Louis Vuitton, all that stuff, I'll be honest with you, they look nice, but they're not comfortable.
What the fuck are those? He got Cadillacs on his toes. What the fuck is wrong with you?
The vibe of today, get this toenail surgery. Right after that, good eats, and explore Mega Bang. We're gonna Mega Bang Mall, you feel me?
This shit better be crazy.
Driver be here in 4 minutes. Yo, we're gonna be in traffic for quite some time, I think. You know, there's one thing I can say. You're gonna be stuck in traffic. Be stuck in traffic in style. Like, come on. But anywho, stay tuned to lock this one way. Wave check, wheels spinning, tires busting. Come on. Make this shit look easy for me. Pick up. Put saying crit, am I? Little bit. Change music, Nakap?
Oh, music.
Bluetooth, you have?
Oh, YouTube.
Bluetooth ได้ไหมคะ
Bluetooth?
อ๋อ Bluetooth
ใช่ครับ
ได้ครับสักครู่นะครับ
Try to put some tunes on for y'all. Gotta get lit. I've been Tesla hack my phone. Shit, like, what the hell? The heli with the Heliante. Had Tesla hack my phone, I think. Reconnect this. I need to put some vibes on it for me. To be stuck in traffic, I need to put some, I ain't gonna lie, he's playing some shit right now. What song is this?
This night I want nigga
I beg your pardon.
จะเปิดทาง YouTube ข้างหลัง
You got YouTube?
ได้เหรอคะ
This got YouTube?
You can
YouTube
They got the Tesla. The Tesla got the YouTube. Got the YouTube right here. You feel me? I'm about to plug that in. Oh yeah, I didn't know. I didn't know about Tesla. You feel me? Vibes. Who I'm jacking right now? Oh nah, we doing Charlie. We gonna do Charlie. Shout out to Charlie. Big W's in the chat. Listen to Charlie.
I be homophobic, my bitch is gay. Man, them celebrate Eid, the trap still running on Christmas Day.
Thai mommy, she helped me out with this toenail thingy because yo, honestly, the ingrown toenails need to get cut immediately. This is an emergency. You feel me? You know, sometimes you just gotta try new things, and that's one of the new things I'm gonna try. We got some vibey content on in the car, like Mega Bang Mall.
What the? Make up Bangna.
Yo, y'all know the 10-second rule? Like when you have some food or something like that and it drop on the floor and you pick it up in 10 seconds to eat it.
Fuck! Second rule, the 5-second rule! 2, 3, 4, 5! Yeah, man, we almost had to switch to the 10-second rule.
Like, yo, if you never had this before, y'all gotta try this at 7-Eleven. This thing is fire. I'm addicted to these things. It comes in grape and watermelon. Vibey.
Let you take the front seat, I'll be right by you. Only thing in my head swear it's all you.
Mega Mall right now, you feel me? Mega Mall type vibes.
So inside you have a lot of restaurants.
Oh, alright, cool. Say that. Thank you, brother.
ขอบคุณครับขอบคุณครับ
Kapuna Kap, Kapuna Kap.
ขอบคุณทิปนะครับ
Your total of $9.73. You can go ahead and put your tip in the machine whenever you're ready.
I got you, brother. Don't worry. We'll get up on that app. We're gonna get you that train money for stuff for the Laos.
yeah bye bye my friend.
Vibey driver. Big W's for the driver. The driver was definitely a vibe. You got a cat with a Gucci jacket on. What the hell? Only in Thailand. They got the V's out. Ballers. They got the baller vehicles out. W vehicle. I see the hype beast for. You know me. I gotta get them fits. I put that shit on always. You know me? They got some sort of Carnival. Yo, tell me in the chat if you ever see this store before. Carnival. Yeah, you ever seen these sneakers before? QC.
Oh, man, brother, that ain't Jordan, man.
The hell? The hell is that? What brand is this? They want 6,000 baht for those shoes. I've never seen that before. See what they got. Carnival TMT. I don't see nothing that really stand out to me, to be honest with you. Carnival, I don't know, kind of like basic tees. I mean, this is kind of hard. 1,190 baht for this Carnival iced out tee. I'll show y'all. Some nylon type of shorts. Some green cargo vibes. Yeah, I don't even see nothing that's like, they got some dripping here. What is this? The Galaxy is probably the best ones out of those. These is, I don't know what these are. Kind of hard, but I don't know. I don't really see no standout pieces though. I mean, the prices is decent though. I thought the price would be outrageous in here.
Getting you out of here.
Oh my bad uncle.
All right, grandson. Your total is $2,222 with 85 cents.
有一点 anything like
Oh, man, get your hand off of there, man.
where you work
Here, yes,
you
it
didn't
works.
decline no way you work
Like, prices is decent. There's some dunks here. You gotta peep that. Do you have Jordans here? No? Where? Oh, nah. See, what do these go for, the price?
this one 6,000
6,000. So that's like $120 for some forces. 120 for the forces.
JP.
So yeah, this is the mall here, the Mega Mall. I'll be honest with y'all, like, it seems like they got a whole lot of nothing in here. It's big though, it's 2 floors. It kind of looks like Jersey Gardens, I'm not gonna hold you. 2 floors. They got the Nike store, let's see what they got in here. I know Nike got some shit in here, let's see. Oh, they got a sale? Don't tell me that. I'm about to cop some shit.
Oh, boy. Yes.
I might have to cop some shit. Sweaty cop. Where the Jordans at, mommy? Oh yeah, they got the 3s in here. Let's go. The hell are these? Did these just come out? They got the retros here? Hold on now, I might have to cop. What are we going for? 20% off? 4,000? Wait, what's the price on these? What's the final price? 4,000?
Yes. Oh, then that's 20% off.
This is men's? Oh. Oh, that's why. I'm like, Oh, men's is over there. My man. Damn, I got hype. I'm like 4,000 baht. I'm buying that shit right now. Like, they got the classics. I've been looking for a pair of these. The 33,700. That's like a damn. It's cheaper here. 3,700 baht.
Yes.
That's cheaper.
I don't know. Then told me like, oh no, we have promotion. Like, if you buy two get discount around
2.
20. Yeah, or like something like that. And maybe them have some special and have that discount like that.
2. Fucking trying to take all my money. Goddamn. They got some sneakers in here though. I ain't gonna hold you, but no standout pieces. Like, man, they got what the hell? Why do they have these here? This just came out again. But then they're the low type. The high. Oh, these is fire. What the hell? This is different. We got the men version, 7,500. So these are like a regular price, you could say. The 3s. They still selling these old shits. Yo, whoever has these big L in the chat. This mall is huge though. Like I could literally just be showing you how this mall non-stop, and it'll take a long time. I've been here before. All the food. Oh, you know what? All the food is that way.
Yeah.
For sure. I'm 1,000,000% sure. I've been here before. The food is that way. Alright, yo, it's coming back to me. Loving it. Yo, this is all the food options. Crazy, yo. This mall is massive. Shabu. We got the shabu food over there. Vibes. This look good. What the hell is this? That shit look, oh, Sizzler. Yo, that's crazy. They still have Sizzler restaurant. I heard this place is good. It's like Thai style food. I like that. Oh, this is nice. I like the seating here. Vibes. Let's just take a look at what they got here. So I ate at the Chinese place down there before. The food was terrible. So bad. It's perfect. Let's do it. You went outside seating?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Let's get like a corner seat, something like that, so I can hit this V. We lit. Dang, we lit. Cup on a cup. Dang, this is vibes. It's cup on a cup and a rimak. Ooh, got the the Thai beef lit. Oosh. So this place is fire. This place is in Mega Bangna. MEGABANGNA. Vibe. How do you eat this? Just open it up?
Yeah.
Oh, so I would have bit into the whole thing. I would have been into the whole bitch, you feel me? Like, you sure I can eat the whole thing, huh?
There.
Alright.
That's too hard. You just cannot eat that. It's not like a leaf.
Let me open that up in front of y'all so y'all see what I'm working on. Hold on now. This is what it looks like. Wrapped in it's like bamboo leaves. Bamboo. Got the chicken wrapped in a bamboo leaf. I didn't want to use my hands, but wow. It's spicy.
It's chicken sauce.
It's chicken sauce?
It's sweet. This one,
Fuck it, let me dig in. She said it's sweet. Why should this thing be hot as hell, yo? Nah. She said it's sweet. This is spicy as hell. I don't know if I can see that. Yo, look at this. Dried Thai beef. Wagyu. Damn. Nothing but goodness. Oh, that's fine. That's chicken on fire. That's chicken on fire. But yeah, Thai beef go crazy. Chicken go crazy. No complaints. So if you haven't already, you know what to do. It's your boy Marco, signing out.